So today I'm going to show you how to move apps from SD card, which is your memory card on your phone, and directly to your local disk, which is your phone. Now what you're going to do is open your file manager. Now go and look for the apps. You can see these are click on all files. Now these are external storage, and let's go and look for apps. You can look for sender to look for apps or folder. Let's see, is there any apps on your phone here? I'm just going to find any apps here, or we can just do this way. Click on this, all files downloaded. Okay, I think I've seen one downloaded here now. Okay, now this one now. Can this just click on it. Once you click on it, click on move. Once you click on move, you can say I've click on move. Now go back. Oh, sorry, click on move. Click on move. Now what you do is go back and click on SD card. Once you click on SD card, go and find where you want to move it. Click on this, and you're going to click on paste. And click on paste. You can see it is pasting. You're going to see it now. And let me show you, this is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like and drop any comments there. Thank you.